Hey guys, it's Ivy. Welcome to the coupon camp. We are in Family Dollar doing our 5 off 25 Saturday scenario for 12/28, the last 5 off 25 of the year. And we're going to go right to our deals. Let's start off. Grab 2 Palmolos at $2.75 each. It is a $2.75 off coupon, meaning that is a BOGO. Then you're going to grab 1 Downy Rinse at $6.95. It is a $2 coupon. 2 Purex at $4.95. It is a $3.90 coupon. Then 1 Febreze, it needs to be the winter scent, a holiday scent at $3.25. It is a $2 coupon. Okay, let's get those deals. Let's scan. You're going to scan your 5 off of 25 store-wide deal. Always make sure you claim it. If you claim it, it's going to say unclipped. If you did not claim it, it's going to look like, let me see, I'm trying to find it, where I claim mostly everything I want. But it's going to say clip, okay? We're going to go to our Palmolive is $2.75 off of 2. They are regular price $2.75. They're going to give you 2.75 coupon, so that's a BOGO. You're going to do save $2 off of the Downy Rinse that expires tomorrow. Your Purex is $4.95, and you have 2 coupons. This one, see, you need to, it's going to tell you to clip the coupon, but this one is spend 20, save 5. Now, we don't want to use that one. You're going to actually use this one right here that says buy 2 and save $3.90. All right, and that is $4.95 that attaches to it. You can hit that to see what else attaches. You're going to do the Febreze $3.25, and you have a $2 off coupon, and then you have a $1.50 coupon. So let's do the math. Okay, $3.25 for the Febreze, $2.75 for each Palmolive. Then the Downy is $6.95, and then you have $4.95 for each Purex. $25.60. Take away your 5 off 25. Take your $2 off the Febreze, take your $2.75 off the Palmolive, take your $2 off the Downy, and take your $3.90 off the Purex. Leave you at $9.95. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, $1.65. First of all, you're paying $1.65 for Purex, which is a fantastic deal. Downy Rinse and Refresh is $1.65, guys. This is a great deal. So I hope you all at least do one of these quickies, okay? Let's get to our next deal because we want to make sure that we cover a couple of items. We cover detergent, rinse, and dish detergent in one deal. This is probably my best deal, but let's get to some more. Okay, let's get to the next deal, guys. You're going to pick up 7 items this time. 2 Palmolives, 1 Febreze, 1 Dow 3-count soap, 1 Big Soleil Escape 3-count, 2 Angel Softs. Okay, we're going to scan all the things we did not scan before. Okay, so let's go to the Big Soleil is $6.15. You have a $3 coupon. Scan the Angel Soft. The Angel Soft is $4.25. You have a $3 off 2 coupon. Let's look at that. See? There you go. The Dow Soap Bar 3-count. It is $3.35. And you have a $1.25 coupon, okay? Now, $2.75, a 2.75 coupon. $3.25, a $2 coupon. Okay, so you should enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. All right, let's look at the other coupon. Make sure you clip your 5 off 25. That is your coupon that you should be clipping at all times. So let's do the math. Okay, the Palmolive is $2.75 each. The Febreze Air Can is $3.25. The Dow is $3.50. The Big Soleil is $6.15. And the Angel Soft is $4.25 each. That is $26.90. We're over by $1.90. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 3 off the Bic. Take your 3 off the Angel Soft. Take your $1.25 off the Dow. Take your $2 off the Febreze, and take your $2.75 off the Palmolive. Leave you at $9.90. Divide that by 7. $1.41. Okay, guys, we got some. You're gonna pay $1.41 for this Angel Soft tissue. Come on, if that ain't no good deal, I don't know what it ain't. And this is the big ones. These is even, Angel Soft is even better than Scott at this point, okay? $1.41 for these. These are great deals right here, and you're even getting a better deal if you pay this $1.41 for the Palmolive, okay? But we always want to put cheaper deals like this inside of a deal. Hey guys, let's do this last deal right here. You want to pick up 2 Angel Soft tissues at $4.25. It's a $3 coupon. 2 Purex at $4.95. It's a $3.90 coupon. 1 Arm & Hammer at $6.15. It is a $2 coupon, okay? We're going to do the math. Now let's look at the Arm & Hammer coupon, because you didn't see that. And I do like for you guys to see all of the coupons. Okay. $6.35. And then you have a $2 coupon. Okay. So we're gonna do the math. Okay, the Purex is the Arm & Hammer is $6.35. The Purex are $4.95 each. The tissues are $4.25 each. You're at $24.75. Pick up a piece of candy. Take it to 25 on the head. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off your Arm & Hammer. Your $3.90 off of your Purex, and your $3 off of your tissue. Leave you at $11.10. Divide that by 5 products, $2.22. Even if you didn't do those other deals, you're going to pay $2.22 for this. $2.22 for this, and $2.22 for this. Do not waste your coupons, guys. Make sure if you're on a budget, you have to hit up these 5 off 25 deals in order to be successful on your budget. Now let's get to some substitutes. This is a great deal right here. It's $4.50. It is a $1.25 coupon, but that coupon also goes for this, which is $3.50, and it also goes for the hand soap that is $3.15. Okay, let's go to another deal now. Here is, these are $1. If you get to like $23, pick up 2 of these. They're $1. Clearance. Scan it. It says 2, but they are $1. Don't forget the clearance items. Let's go to a clearance item. Let me show you. This is your clearance item right here. All of this is clearances. All you do is add these on. I showed you this in my Do Now deals. If you have this is $2.97. It is a $1 paper coupon, making this $1.97. Okay, clearance items always work also. See this? Water wipes. Let me scan it. Let me see if it's cheaper than $2.50. Because usually the clearances is lower than what we're doing. Okay, yep. So it's $2.50. That haven't lowered yet. I will leave this here until it lowers down a little more. Okay, guys? These are deals that you can come back for later. All right?